Hey team, welcome back. Today we're reading passage S, the eagle. The eagle flew high above the clouds. Its eyes scanned the ground for any sign of movement. It recognized the grassy hill where it had found easy prey before. The warm wind pushed the eagle high, and it adjusted, diving toward the ground. Suddenly, a flash of white was glimpsed as it moved from a rock and toward a clump of bushes at the bottom of the hill. The eagle dove lower, intent on snatching its fury white prey with strong, grasping talons. Questions. Where is the eagle? How might an eagle adjust itself? With reference to the text, what makes the eagle an effective hunter? What is meant by glimpsed in sentence 3? Why did the eagle dive in sentence 3? Why did the eagle dive lower in sentence 5? Now let's check the answers. Where is the eagle? The eagle is in the sky, or we could say high above the clouds. How might an eagle adjust itself? Perhaps by dipping or moving or angling its wings. With reference to the text, what makes the eagle an effective hunter? Well, we know that its eyes scanned the ground for any sign of movement, and we know that it has strong, grasping talons. What is meant by glimpsed in sentence 4, not 3? Well, glimpsed means to see something briefly or only for a short time. Why did the eagle dive in sentence 3? Because the warm wind had pushed it high into the sky. Why did the eagle dive lower in sentence 5? Well, here dove lower because it had seen its prey. Thank you for your time. How did you go?